Thank you, Senator Trias. DG Villanueva, I'll give you an opportunity because your name was mentioned earlier by the Senator, di ba? You were supposedly in a big role, actually, in suppressing the information from coming out, especially linking Michael Yang and other personalities po. What is your comment to that, sir?
Thank you, Mr. Chair, for giving me the opportunity. Hearing what Mr. Las Cañas and Mr. Trillanes narratives, seemingly they were lousy storytellers.
Unang-una sa'yo, Mr. Chairman, I take exception dun sa sinasabi nito ni Mr. Villanueva kasi early on I was checked by the chairman for taunting, pero
Okay.
submit.
May we remind all the resource persons to refrain from saying
Sorry, Mr. Chair.
offending words. Thank you so much, everybody.
Unang-una kasi, Mr. Chair, sabi ni